Hi everyone, so today I have a package that came in the mail today, so I'm just going to open it for you guys. It's Photocards, it's a lot, so let's just get into it.
I don't know, this is actually, okay, yep, alright, so, this is a quick free photo card or something. I did buy a lot, so, I don't know, let's check inside, what it says. This is a broken, there we go, come on, let's go, there we go, okay, it's so good, you can see that I bought quite a bit of photo cards.
I'm actually really confused. Oh my god. They gave me the whole set, and I only bought one. Oh, okay. Now that's what it means. It means I got everything free except for J-Hope, because that's the one I bought. Okay. So, we'll just pause this. Okay, sorry, my battery died, but basically what I was saying, what was I saying? I only bought J-Hope, but they gave me, this is J-Hope's, and then they gave me all the other members for free, because of the amount of photo cards that I bought. So here's Jimin, Suga, Rapmon, Jin, Jungkook, and V. I want to keep Rapmon because I'm missing him as well. And for a friend, I'm putting Suga aside. So these four. So let's move it for lighting. Jimin, Jin, Jungkook, and V will be up for trade or sale. I'll put it in my list. So yeah. Also check out my sale and trade video for other cards that I'm willing to sell and trade. And my wish list as well. So yeah. That aside. So onto the big pile of photo cards. A lot of these are GOT7, SNSD, Twice, and I don't know what else. I.O.I. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, a few. So first we have got Jackson from Turbulence, and Bam from Turbulence, Bam Bam from Got It, I.O.I, Tiffany, I Just Wanna Dance, I.O.I, Neon, The Story Begins, Young J from Turbulence, Mark from Turbulence, Mark from Turbulence again, Jin Young from Turbulence, just from Turbulence as well, Jin Young, Jackson from Turbulence as well, and then I.O.I kinds of Young Jung, Pinky, Chang'a, all the backs, Nayoung, Sejong, Zoe. Grab another pile, and then continuing on, I have this is from What a Man, so Nayoung, Somi, a bit of G-Friend, so I have Yuju, this is from LOL, so it's the two other versions. I have the blue one, Jungyoung's pre-debut baby card. Nayeon from page 2. Jungjoon. Nayeon from lane 1. Nayeon from Knock Knock, or lane 2. And JRQ is I knew this is from 1 and 1. Yeah. And then this one is from Odd. And then V from School, no, not School Love Affair. Oh, Are You Late Too? Right? Oh, Are You Late Too? So this is the Jungkook. So I've completed that set finally. And Jungkook's Dark and Wild. So I've completed this set as well. And then I have Yu-Gi-Oh! And Youngjae from Just Right. Sweet hands. And the last part, I'll do this all at once. GOT7, so Youngjae from Turbulence. JB from Turbulence. Another JB. Bam Bam from Turbulence. I have all the Bam Bams, I think. Mark from GOT7. Jackson from GOT7. Then Taeyeon, this is, I believe, My Voice. I have to look at the back. Taeyeon from I. Another Taeyeon from I. Soyeon from Dear Santa. You can sing her. Yep. Sunny from Lionheart. Tiffany from Lionheart. Taeyeon from My Voice. Tiffany from I Just Wanna Dance. Soyeon from Dear Santa. Taeyeon from Dear Santa. Tiffany from Dear Santa. Doyeon from Miss Me, I.O.I. Chungha from What a Man. Jungyoung twice lane 1. Nayeon lane 2. The other version. Uni from 1 and 1 again. And Odd again. And Youngjae from, what's this called? Turbulence. So that is it for my little haul unboxing thing. Got quite a lot of photocards, as you can see. Any information, like such as the seller, will be all in the description below, so check it out. And I'll be doing a photocard collection soon, so watch out for that. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.